This is the most mouth-wateringest chicken ever. Is that even a word?
Nope.
A few moments later.
Today we're going to introduce you to our best friend, the air fryer. Yeah, we love it that much. Honey, you can stop hugging it, honey. This right here is our favorite tool in the kitchen. It's a deep fryer, but without a drop of oil.
This makes food healthier, crispier, and way more tender.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad. And she is
Haneen. Welcome to our show,
Simple, Delicious, and Healthy.
where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
Let's get started.
These are
1/3 cup of extra virgin cold pressed olive oil.
2 tablespoons of organic lemon,
1 tablespoon of
garlic powder, onion powder, coriander, and paprika,
1/2 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, and the 7 spices.
which we have linked below. Be sure to wear gloves because you're dealing with raw chicken.
Be sure to soak the chicken in water. 1/3 cup lemon and 1/3 cup white or apple cider vinegar.
For 30 minutes to remove bacteria, germs, smell, and salmonella.
And be sure to pour out the water in an empty sink.
And disinfect the sink afterwards. Let us know if you disinfect your chicken before.
You need to cut them up bite size. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl. Let the chicken marinate for a few minutes. The longer you marinate the chicken, the tastier it is. You can also marinate it a day before and refrigerate overnight. Or if you're making a big batch, you can marinate it, freeze it in small individual Ziploc bags, and take it out whenever. We are going to place the chicken in the air fryer at 400 for 10 minutes. And now to the enlightenment board. No deep frying,
No harmful oils.
no MSG.
Healthier and faster.
Simple and easy.
This chicken is hormone free. It's important to never buy chicken with hormones. If you leave meat on the counter for days and weeks, it will rot and stink. Unless you eat an apple before any meat, it will stain your stomach for a long time. It will cause you skin, health, and digestive problems,
Eating an apple will create a bubble around the meat.
allowing it to digest and exit your body much faster.
This week's shout out goes to
Can I have a drum roll, please? The SDH Squad! Help us make a difference in what kids eat by joining the SDH Squad today.
subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads.
Tag SDH on Instagram whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
Bismillah.
So we already ate our apples, so we're just going to dive into this delicious chicken.
So tender.
Amazing.
look at
I like it too. You're never going to eat chicken outside again.
We will show you how to make this delicious sauce in a future video, inshallah.
This tastes exactly like honey mustard or Chick-fil-A sauce.
I cannot believe this is not deep fried.
If you guys want this delicious and tandoori chicken, you have to use the air fryer. Very good. In the last video, we explained what's inside fast food's food that makes you crave it all the time.
Be sure to check it out. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Or in our case, eat it before any meats. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy. Today we're going to introduce. Welcome to our show.
Simple, delicious, and healthy.
Sorry.
1/3 cup of extra cold. 1/3 cup of extra cold. Be sure to soak the chicken. 1/3 cup of lemon and the rest. We are going to place the chicken in the air fryer at 10 minutes for 400. We are going to place the chicken in the air fryer.
Unless you eat an apple.
This week's shout out goes to Bismillah.
Alika.
You didn't even eat it. Bismillah.
We already ate our apple, so we're just going to dive into this delicious dip. It's not dip.
Chicken.
This is the mouth-watering gift.
No.
Okay.
No.